singer-songwriter. My name is Bill from K.K.U. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. So I'm here to talk about how we made the song Waimanu Kui for the Anthem school. I currently own my own business. I used to work for the judicial department. I've been there for 8 years. I was working in Suva and then got transferred to Lambasa. And now I've resigned to focus on my music and my business. So I composed the melody of the song, Waimanu Kui, and also I co-wrote the song with my mom. It was about 10 years ago, in 2014, when we released the song. In 2014, I had been approached by my small sister. So in my family, there's 6 of us altogether. There's 5 boys and only 1 girl. The girl went to Anthem school, and when she was in Form 7, she was part of the school athletics team as well. And there was a request that has been going around the dorms in ACS that they wanted a new song for the school. So she had approached me back then, and I had to think about it. I had to have a long think about it because when it comes to a school like ACS, everything has to be done right, and because it's a huge network. But luckily, at the time, I had people in my life that had gone through that particular school, so which included my mom. She was in the class of 80s, and then you have my sister that's in there as well. So I sat down with mom and we started thinking about brainstorming about the song, which wasn't difficult for my mom because she went through the whole boarding process, especially back then. It was in they had Form 1 back then. Straight out of primary school, she went to Anthem, and then she put together all the experiences that they went through, and I believe that we had covered everything that there was to cover when it comes to boarding school as prestigious as ACS.